Hey guys, I just got to the airport and I got a little coffee. It's the most dead I've seen the airport in a long time, which kind of freaks me out a little bit, but I think it'll be fine.
Terminal around flight 314 to Denver here at 75B. Quickly look at the far right hand side of the boarding.
Guys, I made it to Newark. Says my Uber driver. I'm like standing outside the airport. I've never been to this airport actually, but I'm in New Jersey. I got a peach tea from Starbucks, and then I got a Fiji water and a what's it called? Immunity shot. They're in my purse though. My Uber driver is still 9 minutes away. I'm kind of hungry though. I'm just gonna get home or get to the get to the hotel, and try and eat one of my like protein bars. Then I have almond butter, Justin's packet left, and some nuts, and hopefully that'll satisfy me. I have like 5 granola bars though, like protein bars, so I'm sure I'll find something. It's technically like 9:30 p.m. here, but it's only 6:30 p.m. in LA, but I'm trying not to think about that. But I'm pretty sure the airport is pretty close to my hotel, so I'll check in with you guys when I get there. This tea is so bomb. It's so hot, but it's so bomb. This is a look at my nightstand right now. We have a Lara bar, we have my vitamins, and I have my immune booster in here. It's called beta glucans. It is just something I take every time I travel, or if I feel like I might be getting sick. I have a Fiji water. I have this little, I got this immunity shot. And then I have melatonin because I'm obsessed with these for when I'm traveling and I'm on a little time difference. Hopefully this bar will satisfy me, but if not, I have other things that I can eat as well. Hey guys, I'm just in my hotel room. I showered, I did my skincare, I brushed my teeth. I'm gonna sanitize my phone screen. I am not usually this anal, but when you're traveling nowadays, you just have to be, you know, a little bit more cautious, and it's nothing to like fully freak out about or anything, but just better be safe than sorry, is what I always think. I found out that there's breakfast served here at the hotel, although there's going to be catering at on set tomorrow. I'm just excited for coffee because I just like to have my coffee before, like when I'm showering and getting ready. By getting ready I mean putting my skincare on and stuff, and like packing up my stuff and whatnot. Just have a little bit of coffee, which will be nice. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna turn on the TV. Usually cable TV, the best part about it is that you can watch The Office. So I'm just gonna watch The Office. I watched Friends the entire flight, and I showed you guys the snacks that I packed. I packed myself a little snack pack, and I also ate lunch in my Uber on the way to the airport. I had leftover chicken kebab and hummus, and I made like a fresh veggie salad, and it was so good. So I had that before I got to the airport, and then at the airport I just got a cold brew, and then I had my whole snack pack, which was 2 rice cakes, a banana, an apple, peanut butter or Justin's almond butter, and some almonds. And now I'm just gonna have my Lara bar, and honestly I'm pretty, like, I'm nibbly, but I'm not starving. And I'm gonna take my immunity shot and all my vitamins and all that, and just probably go to bed because it's 11. So yeah, good night. I'll see you guys in the morning. Okay guys, so here is my outfit. It's really basic. I'm wearing these like joggers from Zara and this turtleneck. Just a simple black turtleneck, and then I'm wearing Doc Martens, and I have my teddy bear coat right there. This coat is literally like a blanket. But I just called my Uber, and he's about to be here in 2 minutes, and we're gonna be heading to work.
Left to Newark Airport, terminals ABC. Then stay to the right. Stay to the left. Then stay to the right. Stay to the right to Terminal B. Arrivals, departures.
Hey guys, I have half my mascara still on my eyes, but I took off my makeup in the Uber, and I'm in the airport. It was such a long day. We did like 55 looks in one day, and we shot until like 6 p.m. And my day started at 8:45. Well, I got to set at 8:45. So, I mean, it's not like crazy long, but it was a lot. It was a lot of looks. And I didn't get the best sleep last night. Like, I couldn't fall asleep for a really long time, which sucked. But I'm here. I'm sorry I didn't get to vlog much, but it was like go. Like, I didn't even want to like take time to vlog or anything, you know? As I mentioned before, it's kind of hard to vlog on set. So I kind of just vlog my befores and afters and like my journey to get here and stuff. But I fly back tonight and land at 11 p.m. LA time, which is technically 2 a.m. New York time. Then I have work tomorrow. I have to be on set tomorrow at 8:30 in LA. So yeah. My arm is literally getting tired from holding the camera, but I'm gonna find my gate. And then I already ate a salad with chicken that I took from work. They had like leftover catering, and I took it because it was really bomb. I'm gonna eat that in my Uber, and it's like 7 o'clock now. So I'm just gonna get like a water and then some kind of like treat or snack or something for the plane, and that'll be it. And then when I get home, I'm gonna sleep forever. Hey guys, I am back in LA and back on my bullshit. Not really back on any bullshit, just back to work. This is my outfit. I'm wearing wrinkly jeans with Air Forces and this t-shirt and this leather jacket, and I'm about to go pick up my Starbucks mobile order. I woke up at 6 a.m. today and I got into bed probably around 12:30. I thought that my job was going to take me like an hour to get there, but now it's saying 30 minutes, so I woke up 30 minutes early for no reason. But I guess that's better than waking up 30 minutes late. So I have time to go get Starbucks. I'm not sure if breakfast will be catered there or not. I always bring like protein bars and stuff just in case it's not catered, but then I don't want to like make a full breakfast and like bring oats or something and then have it go to waste if breakfast is catered. So that's a little pro tip. I'm gonna fill up my water bottle and then I am going to leave. It's actually so nice to be back in LA, like with palm trees and stuff. I thought I was gonna have to drive for an hour, and now we get to go and get Starbucks, which is so exciting. And I need gas, so it's nice that we have time to get gas. Hey guys, I just got to set. And we're gonna get ready, do my hair and makeup. I got a nitro cold brew from Starbucks, which is necessary. And I'm excited. It's my first time shooting with this client, so I'll see if maybe I can vlog a little bit more today on set than I did yesterday. Because I know yesterday I didn't really get to vlog, but we'll see. Morning guys, it is the next day. I got home from work and I was so tired that I literally just went to sleep. I like ate dinner obviously and then I went to sleep, but this is my outfit today. I'm gonna wrap up this vlog today, but I figured I would show you guys a little workout that I do today. I've been putting away my laundry all morning and packing for London because I leave for London tomorrow. So I just got back from New Jersey and I leave for London tomorrow. But this is my little outfit today. It is just black leggings, a black sports bra, this little leather jacket. I have on black sneakers and then just some jewels. And I'm gonna bring my YSL bag and I'm gonna go meet my friends for some coffee, go to the gym, get my nails done, and run a few errands before I have to get home, make dinner, and pack. Okay guys, so I am in my car now and I'm driving to a coffee shop in Beverly Hills to meet my girlfriends, and I've never really shown you guys too much of my friends on the vlog here, so I'm trying to do that more. But I made myself a smoothie for the road. This morning I had, it's about 11 o'clock, I had already steel cut oats with frozen blueberries and fresh blueberries and some cinnamon and honey. I just made like a 1/3 cup of oats on the stove, and it was so yummy. And then I made this green smoothie. And it's so good. But I made it because I wanted to use up some of the fresh ingredients that I had before I go to London. But then I also wanted to kind of boost my immune system a tiny bit and get some like really good nutrients in. So I started with the oatmeal and some coffee. Then I had this, which is spinach, frozen pineapple, half a frozen banana, and fresh ginger and fresh spinach, and just water. And it's so good. I'm usually like a fruity, chocolatey, milkier smoothie kind of person. But this is just really light and refreshing. And so I'm drinking it in this little mason jar on my way to the coffee shop. But yeah, this like car setup is janky. It's literally not a car setup. You're sitting on my steering wheel essentially. So I need to get a car mount really badly. But I'm gonna show you guys when I get to the coffee shop, and then I'll show you guys my workout, and then I will more than likely wrap up this vlog just because it's kind of boring. Alright, so I'm on my way to the little coffee shop. I'm gonna pee my pants because I sucked down that smoothie. And there's a woman who's about to hit me with her car. But I have the right of way, so hit me, bitch. So I haven't introduced my friends to the vlog.
No, and you're not.
These are Paige. Don't start. You look so cute. It's on right now.
Literally, I have crumbs all over my face.
Shut
my
up.
My nails are popping off.
Oh, your nails are. I've never really introduced my circle of friends to the vlog.
Get ready.
Mainly because I feel like do hood rat shit, so like I don't really vlog.
We're either do rat shit or boring.
We're either
Right,
in the club or we're sleeping.
Exactly. So we're gonna go around. We were just talking about how we're kind of like Sex in the City, but we haven't decided who's who. But I don't think we'll ever decide who's who.
I think that we all have little bits of each person. I don't think any of us are like one.
Nah, I think I'm Samantha.
I felt more like lately is the one who just wants to get married and like live in her apartment.
That's
Charlotte, you're kind of like that, but you're not preppy.
Yeah.
You know, like she's too uppity.
the emo version.
Yeah.
She's like, yeah.
We're like modern day,
And she has
millennial.
She gets the dogs. It's like you.
Oh yeah, that's true. Lindsay, I don't know who you are.
Corona.
Depends on the day.
Oh my god, stop.
Oh my god, it is.
Yeah, I just got over my Samantha pain.
I couldn't literally feel.
Like,
I think Paige is Samantha for sure.
I don't even know who that is.
Samantha, but
Isn't she like the hoe?
Yes, yes.
Oh, a comedian.
Hey guys, I realized I never closed off the other vlog. I said I was going to show you guys gym footage and other stuff, and I never did because I fail at vlogging. I'm sorry, I'm in the airport, so I hope you can hear me. But this is the start, well, this is the end of the last vlog, which is the vlog you're watching now. But I'm also starting a new vlog right now, which is the one where I go to London with one of my close friends, Faith. So it's just been a ton of London prep these last couple days, just packing, running errands, getting in my last little bits of things that I need to do before I take off. So I will be editing this vlog on my 10.5-hour flight. And so I'm gonna get that up for you guys and then start filming the London vlog when we arrive. But I'm super excited to be going to London. I cannot wait. I'm there for a whole week. And yeah, I apologize guys that I kind of flopped at ending this vlog. I really want to show you workouts, so maybe if we do home workouts in London, I can show you guys what I do. It won't be really the same, but I'll do my best. But yeah, I'm super excited. And this is the end of this vlog, so thank you guys again so much for watching. I hope you can hear me, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.